there are some people with cancer or with cancer in their family, and we do have a great question. I'll move into that. Can this diet, or what I've also heard you call nutritional excellence or precision nutrition, one step up from what we're talking about, right? Or actually, that's some of what you're talking about, the diversity. Can that be used to reverse cancer?
Well, that's where we're leading to next, right? The great question is that
the great question.
This is what science has demonstrated, that the same dietary portfolio that maximally prevents against cancer has been shown to extend lifespan and prevent recurrence in people that have cancer. So let me explain that a little more fully, because we can divide cancer into 3 different types. Types of cancers that are more slow growing and less aggressive, more moderately aggressive, and then the very aggressive cancers, right? Let's take the low aggressive cancers that generally do not kill people, like ductal carcinoma in situ of the breast, which doesn't cause death or metastasize, or most men with prostate cancer. These cells are with a Gleason score 6 or below. These are slow-growing cancers that don't kill people generally. They die of some other cause. But because they're slow-growing, their DNA doesn't unravel enough to be sensitive to chemotherapeutic agents well, and chemotherapy doesn't work to help a person with slow-growing cancers. So now the question is, chemotherapy doesn't work for these slow-growing cancers. Does nutritional therapy work? And what we find is that not only does it work, it can reverse them, because these are the earlier stage and the more mild the cancer, the more effective nutrition is at putting it back into remission. And there are many types of breast cancers that can become cancerous and move back in the other direction again. So many types of women who are diagnosed with breast cancer have a type of cancer, even if it's diagnosed as invasive lobular carcinoma or invasive ductal carcinoma, many of those can reverse and go back to normal again. Even when people don't change, eat such a healthy diet, some of those cancers go back in the other direction. So it's not just a train that goes in one direction and has to keep going on to kill you. It doesn't have to be that way. And nutrition can be the vehicle to increase the probability of these low aggressive cancers, these slowly growing cancers, to go back the other way. We have hundreds of men with prostate cancer who follow this program, whose PSA goes back down to normal. And now many doctors recommend they call it watchful waiting. It means doing nothing. Just follow the PSAs and see how bad they get. But in most cases, do nothing, because the treatment of prostate cancer doesn't work very effectively, and it causes a poor quality of life and does not extend the lifespan of males in general. Okay, that's one type of cancer. Then we have the type of cancers that are more aggressive, like ovarian cancers or triple negative breast cancer or premenopausal breast cancer, that certain types of cancers that are more dangerous, right? Mm-hmm. And these cancers are multiplying aggressively and can kill people. And when they're multiplying aggressively and can kill people more rapidly, they unravel their DNA, and these are the cancers that are more sensitive to chemotherapy, where chemotherapy works. So now this person with ovarian cancer or a premenopausal breast cancer that's growing very aggressively, they need chemo but this person may have still have a poor prognosis even with the chemo, because chemo doesn't kill every cell. Some cells escape chemo, and maybe 3 years later or 5 years later, that cell will start to come back, replicate, and form another cancer, a stem cell cancer that came from the original tumor. But now the chemo is not effective anymore, because these were cells that were resistant to chemo. And when we give this Nutritarian diet to people who require chemo with a more aggressive cancer, they have less side effects to the chemo, and then they don't get recurrence. We're seeing because the immune system, which wasn't strong enough to stop this highly aggressive cancer or to remove a tumor, it had to be surgically removed, right? But the immune system now is strengthened to the point where it could recognize the stray cells that are now scattered in the body in small numbers, and the body could seek out and destroy those cells that now could return and cause recurrence to death down the road, years down the road. So that's why I can go case after case and go through all these women, for example, who had metastatic ovarian cancer that was treated with chemo. And instead of the expectation of a 5-year survival, these women are now survived 15, 20, 25 years. One woman, for example, her name is Pam. She had ovarian cancer in 1997. She had 4 liters of fluid in her lung. Her lung collapsed, had to have a chest tube put in. and the fluid taken out of her lung to re-expand the lung. She was given chemotherapy, but still given less than a year to live. And now she's alive 27 years later without any cancer. And this is because of the Nutritarian diet, improving immunity, so to protect stray cells that could come back. Right? And the same thing, I have several other patients who've had even ovarian cancer that had aggressive cancers with poor prognosis that now thriving many years later. And I have people with metastatic breast cancer, with aggressive types of breast cancers that did require chemo, that did not see those cancers recurred, 15, 20, 25 years. So we're talking here about, yes, it's effective for the low aggressive cancers, the slow growing cancers, the moderately growing cancers where chemo was not effective. And it's even effective in the aggressive cancers where chemotherapy is definitely indicated. You following me?
Yes. Yes. So in all three
That's the time to do what you have to do to protect your life, right? Now, it motivates people to make better choices in their life. We don't want people to have to wait till they get cancer to make better choices. But we have such these tools, including some smart supplementation that can increase the ability of the body to reduce replication in abnormal cells without harming normal cells, reduce replication in abnormal cells. So we have a lot.
When you say supplementation, what do you mean?
I mean that in addition to the Nutritarian diet, we give people extracts from certain herbs like mushroom extracts, green tea, the EGCG from green tea, extracts from turmeric and curcumin extracts. We give them maybe some other fermented extracts that they're taking now. Like we give them like 4 times a day a supplement they're taking, which has turmeric and EGCG, which prevents cells to replicate, which allows early stage cancers to recede and go back in the other direction.